Hi, welcome back to Hostbox CSC channel and back to the tutorial for C programming and data success. The previous session I explained about the binary tree concept, what is tree, introduction tree and continuously what is binary tree and how to perform traversal operations in order, post order, pre-order and so on. I hope that you understand. Please kindly support the channel and check the playlist. Today we are going to see the topical graph representation with an example. So how what is graph and how do you represent in C in data structure and that's how it will help you to work out with the C programming and how to solve the problems and so on. This tutorial definitely helpful for who are preparing for the GATE university and all college level university level exam also. Let's go for session today. So first you have to know what is graph. Graph means you can say it's a collection of nodes that have data and are connected to other nodes. And or you can say it's a data structure with consist of P comma E that consists of the V means what? A collection of vertices and followed by a collection of edges that is called E represented as ordered pair of vertices. Moreover, you have to remember what is mean graph is a non-linear data structure. You have to remember immediately non-linear data structure. Okay, non-linear data graph means you have to remember the first point non-linear data structure. That point you have to always remember non-linear data structure. Let's say the real-time example. Let's say we can say the example of Facebook. So today everyone know the one called Facebook. So because in Facebook what we are doing, we are going to chart with first of all you have everything is a collection of data and we have to do some operations like what we have to use Facebook can give the like button or friend request. Everything you say the format of graph only. So data will be there. It be in the graph where everyone having social media. If Facebook means you have friends where you can give like, share, and what are the information you can share with him and request, cancel, all things can do with the help of graph only. Okay, let's go for example here. So this is a small graph where you have nodes called 0, 1, 2, 3. This edge is connected with a like that node. Then graph terminology. So before knowing graph terminology, you know the basic things. What is vertex? Generally, the individual data element of graph is called as vertex. Remember, individual data element of graph. Then edge means what? It's a connecting link between two vertices. Two vertices that if you want to connect, we can use. Okay, so two vertices we can connect with the help of two vertices we can connect. That is called edge. Here, for example, this is the edge here. 0, 1 connection completing this is the edge here. Then there are three types of edges will be there. One is called unidirectional, another one is called bidirectional. Directed edge, another is a weighted edge. So unidirectional means what? There will be a graph where it have always bidirectional. That is, for example, if a comma b is equal to b comma a, or you can say if 0 1 is there or 1 comma 0 both are same. Okay, if I have 0 comma a, I given different example, no problem. Okay, 0 comma 1 is there, it's equal to 1 comma 0 according to this example here. Similarly, then directed edge means that is a unidirectional edge. That is a is equal to b is there, a comma b is not equal to b comma a. That means 0 comma 1 is there is not equal to 1 comma 0. Because only one is either you can connect to 0 to 1 and then connect to 0 to 2 like that. Not 1 to 0, not possible. Only one direction. This is the example diagram for by unidirection. This. Okay, the diagram given very small, and then so by unidirection, undirectional means bidirectional edge where you can follow any method. Okay, you can go to 0 to 1 or 1 to 0 any, and direct edge means only one direction. Either you can go 0 to 1 or 0 to 2 as per in the diagram. And last weighted edge. Weighted edge means what? Here the edge with cost on it. That means there will be a edge. Okay, edge with some, for example 0 to 1 is there, here the cost is 4. Similarly 0 to 2 the cost is 6. Similarly 2 to 3, the cost is 3. Like that we can calculate the weighted edge also. So graph means what? Simple one where it's having the nodes and vertices. Then we have to know representation. There are two ways of representing the graph. One is called the adjacency matrix, another one is called the adjacency list. So first one is the familiar one, most of the following adjacency matrix. That means what? Adjacency matrix is here a matrix. It's a mat. Here adjacency matrix is a one. It's a 2D array of V into V, V into vertices, and each row column represents a vertex. And if the value of the element is A of I into j is 1, then it represents there is an edge connecting vertex A, I and vertex j. So we will see the example, we understand. Let's say a very small graph I have just now told you. So 0, 1, 2, 3. Now we see the adjacency list. How we can make? First make rows and column. Okay, M and 10 are rows and column. I take this perpendicular. Yes. So I can use rows and column 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 3. Let's start the node now. Adjacency node, you can write 0 to 0, check it. There is 0 to 0, no node, not possible. So you can write 0 here. You can fill with 0. Here 0 can write. Then 0 to 1, yeah, possibility is the edge is available. So we can write 0 to 1 is 1. Then 0 to 2. 0 to 2, edge is available. Yes, available or not? Yes, available. Here 0 to 2 available, so I am writing 1. Similarly 0 to 3, yes, available, I am writing 3. Sorry, 1. Then 1 to 0. Next pair I am checking. Adjustment 1 to 0 available, yes. So I can write 1. Then 1 to 1 not possible. In it self denoted not possible. So we can write 0. Then 1 to 2. 1 to 2, yeah, edge is available, yes. So I can write 1. Similarly 1 to 3, there is no connection. So we can write 0 only. Then 2 to 0. 2 to 0, what is there here? 2 to 0, yes, connection is there. I can write 1. And then 2 to 1, 2 to 1 also connection is there, you can write 1. And then 2 to 2 not possible, so 0. And similarly 2 to 3, 2 to 3 no connection, so 0. At last 3 to 0, yeah, edge is there, you can write 1. And 3 to 1 no connections. See the diagram. And 3 to 2 no connection, so 0. At last 3 to 0, 3 to 3 0. So whenever connection edge available, you can write 1, otherwise not. That is the adjacency list matrix. Next one is adjacency list. Here it always represents the graph as an array linked list. So I already discussed linked list in the data cell. Here the index of the array represents a vertex, and each element in its linked list represents the other vertices that form an edge with the vertex. Let's see the small example where we can get clarity. So you a beginner, you can try with a different graph, maybe 5 nodes, A, B, C, D, and so on. You can try yourself, and easy to do. So let's say the same diagram, 0, 1, 2, 2. I'm going to write the based on the linked list. So I'm just writing nodes. So 0, 1, 2, 3. How I'm writing? Say first nearest just node 0 to 1. Yeah, I can write 0 to 2. A is there. I'm writing 2. So I'm making point here. So 0 to 1, 0 to 1 available. I am writing 0 to 1. Then 0 to 2. Yes, I can write. Then 0 to 3 available. Yes, I am writing 0 to 3. Next we start from 1. So 1 to 0. Yes, available. So I am writing 1 to 0. Then 0 to 2. I can make it. So I can make linked list continuously, adjacency list. And next I can take G2 and 2 to 0 possibilities are, yes, possibilities are, I am writing 2 to 0. Then 0 to 1. So what combinations I can make the list, I can make it. At last 3 to 0 is there. So after that no nodes, because we visited all the nodes, and this is called path. So 0 to 1 we are seeing edges now. You can say another element graph path also. So very easy and simple graph means. Then what are the now the questions? What are the operations you perform? If you have graph, you can perform the operations like check if the element is present or not. Then graph traversal. Okay, then add elements vertex, edges to the graph. At last finding the path from one vertex to another. So in the graph I want to search 3 means I can search start from the start node 0 and where is 3 available. If available or else 5. If available it go on 5, otherwise not. So these are the important concepts you have to remember. What is graph? And graph means you have to remember it's a non-linear data structure where followed by the P, E vertex and edges. Where you have types of edges will be there like this. So unidirectional, directory H and weighted H. So if you want to write any C program, you have to know this fundamental concept, then you can write the program easily and understand easily. So we can perform operations based on the adjacent matrix or adjacency list. Most of them doing the adjacency matrix like that only. So if you have any queries or suggestions, please kindly communicate with the social media. And thanks for watching. Please like, share, comment, press bell icon for more updates. Thank you.